So hi guys, the previous video I have discussed about that basic syntax of the SQL. So now in this video, I'm trying to explain about how to create a particular table inside the database. Now, first of all, let me show you that code, guys. The previous code. So previous code, what we have discussed basically, how to create that uh, database, how to check how many databases is there, how to utilize or how to use that particular database, and at last how to drop or how to delete the database. Now, before creating a table, we have to use or utilize the database. So here one of the database name is like DM. So how to utilize that? We have to write use DM. Now, inside the particular database, what we'll do is we'll create one table. Inside the particular database, what we'll do, we'll create one table. How to create the table? For that, some syntax we have to take care. What is that? My code is like that, create table. And here, first of all, I'll give the name. My table name is like student. What is this table name? Student. And here, what you can feel, guys, what can be the attribute? One attribute can be the student ID, right? Yes or no? Student ID. And when we are telling about the student ID, it can be the numerical or it can be the combination of alphabet and numerical, right? That means alphanumeric. That means alphanumeric. So in the SQL, there is the different data type. If you guys know about the Python, in Python also there was the different data type, and in SQL also it is like same. There is a different data type. So mainly three data type. What is that? Numeric, character, and date and time. You need in that particular numeric also there are big int, small int, tin int, and decimal. And here it's the particular range of that big int, small int, tin int, and decimal. I hope you understood. Don't try to remember that particular range. Only try to understand. There is big int, small int, tin int, and decimal. And what it will do? It will actually taking care of the integer as well as the float. Integer as well as what? Float. Now, the next thing. What is the next thing, guys? Uh, Date and time. In the date and time, there is a date. If there is the date, we can write in that way. Year, then month, then date. Time, hour, minute, second. Year, only we can write that year. Now, character. Character also, there are mainly three type of character. One is like char, and the range is like 0 to 255. There is the varchar, and varchar in the bracket, we have to mention some number. If I'll mention that varchar 25, that means it will store 25 character. Got it or not, guys? Okay. So it's like that. And this is the text. And what is the range of text? This is the range of the particular text. Now here, guys, I want, there is only like numerical value is there. The student ID is like 2551229. Okay. So what is there? Only one numeric value. Got it? So that's why I have mentioned what? I have mentioned the int. Now, there can be the another attribute, and I am considering my another attribute is like student name. What is that? Student name. Previously, STUID or student ID. Anything what you want, you can write that name. Student name, obviously what we can write, varchar, in the form of varchar. And I'm telling here the 20. 20 means it will store the 20 character. Got it? Now, uh, what can be the another attribute of the student level? Student grade. Yes, student grade also means what? Varchar. And I can write here varchar 5. Anything, what you want, you can write. Okay. Now, if I run that particular code, see, the table already created. How I know? Green tick. Okay. See here, the green tick. Now, I want to see that particular table. I have successfully created that particular table. Very good. I want to see that table. How I see that particular table? Uh, to see that table, I have to write this code. Select star from table name. What is the table name, guys? Student. What? Student. If I run, what is there? Student ID, student name, student grade. Okay. I have inserted any value here? No, right? So that's why the entire thing is like empty. Got it or not? Yes. If I'll insert the value, then the value will be also showing in that particular table after inserting the value. I hope you understood. Now the second thing, how to delete a table. I hope you know these things, guys. Drop table, what? Student. Yes or no? Let's check. Again, if I want to see the table, anything is there? No. What is the output it is giving? Table DM student doesn't exist. Why? Because we have already dropped the particular table. How it will be there? Got it? So in that way, we can create the table. After creating the value, we have to insert some value on the table. I hope you understood this particular video, and this is the very simple way we can create the table. There are different method or technique. I will explain slowly. Bye guys. Take care.